my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I'm gonna be mixing this Texas style honey sweet cornbread mix right here that I actually purchased from the dollar store. I already have one in the oven on my cast iron as a regular cornbread, but I want it to be like in a muffin kind of style for the kids. So what you will need is a bag of this. This is a 16-ounce Texas style cornbread mix right here. Like I said, it's $1 from the Dollar Tree. This is brand, I don't want to say brand new, but this is my first time seeing it this time of the season at the Dollar Tree right here. So yeah, I picked up 2 bags of these. Okay, and then next you're gonna use your butter to actually moisturize your pan right here, like I have it in here. Okay, and this is my mixing bowl right here. It tells you need milk, and you also need 3 eggs, which I already had 3 egg yolks in here. So now basically what I'm gonna need is a cup and 3/4 of milk. Okay, so I don't have my 3/4 cup, so I'm gonna use 1/4 cup 3 times to equal the 3/4 measurements. So I'm gonna use 3 of these, and then I'm gonna use a cup, 1 cup of milk as well. So I'm gonna whisk these 2 together. So I got the eggs and the milk together into this bowl right here. And next I'm gonna empty this, cornbread mix into my bowl. And I also preheated my oven according to the instructions on the back of the cornbread for 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna empty the mixture into this bowl. And now I'm just gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna pour it into the pan. So after mixing this together, so now I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop to actually scoop it into this baking dish right here. You know what? I think I need something else that will go faster. I'm gonna use the cup because this one, it's not gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. And you're gonna bake this for 15-20 minutes. I'm trying to use the whole batter to fit in there. I know they're gonna be so big when they come out, so yeah. So I'm gonna try to wipe the mess that I did before I stick it in the oven. So now I'm gonna stick it in the oven, and then I will show you the final result. Hey guys, so this is my final look of the cornbread that I made in two separate forms. So I'm gonna do this one since this one just came out of the oven. So I'm gonna cut right here. This is it right here. So I'm gonna cut. It is moist. See that? I like it a lot. It's a little bit different from the Jeffy cornbread, but this is very, very smooth going into your mouth, going down your throat. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.